Beware of drugs. I was taking drugs by the grace of I'm born again. If you're turning to the direction of drugs, you're to the direction of wrong turn. Stay away from drugs.